Yeah, guys, just hold your line. Nice, clean race.
Thank you, host.
Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all coming here and racing with us.
Thank you, there, Jimmy.
Mr. Haynes, I'm already tired of following this truck.
Yeah, I hear that.
Brad, go over to your box and put your brake bias to 3.0. That might help you.
I haven't lost it.
Oh, now you're gonna rub it in?
He forgot to tell you that his wheel broke too. He had to use a control pound, game pound. Yeah.
Nah, for the last couple of years, David has always outqualified me by one position.
No.
When he didn't race this summer, it was Scott that was doing it.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, the 09. I followed that car around so many times.
Well, at least I got a partner.
I wish I had to steer Barney. Gosh, purple dinosaur. I don't want to have that song stuck in my head for the rest of the night.
Good luck, everybody. Let's have a good... Christopher, good to see you, buddy.
Thank you, Mr. Jimmy.
You dropped me.
Mike, good to see you.
Captain family.
Dave, it's going to be tough to beat Jesse.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, you got Jimmy behind him.
Haynes, he's leading the race. Okay, James, let's see what we can salvage from this, mate. P20. Car high. The guy in front is... Hold your line. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. He's still there. He's still there. Still there. Still there.
Jimmy, I didn't realize this was 30 laps. It's going to
Hold your
get me
line.
to the World Series game.
Hold your line.
Hell yeah, that was the plan.
He's still there.
I hope you're a Red Sox fan.
Still there. The leader has just done it. He's still there. P90.
Yeah, Braves are better than Red
Hold your
Sox.
line.
Well, I'm a bit of
Still there.
fan because he's a Razorback.
Hold your line. Your high side's clear.
The amazing kid. I'm a little sleepy staying up to midnight and going to work at 5.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's worth it, though.
They won the game last night. I didn't catch the end of it.
Boston.
Bob is the owner of my company, the Yankee
Richmond
man.
is now in the lead. The leader has just done a 49.9, P18. The guy behind has just done a 49.9. The guy ahead has just done a 49.8.
Car high, car low. Hold your line. You're clear inside.
Place.
Big wreck, big wreck.
Bobby, get beat up. We got to catch that pace car.
Oh crap, I forgot we had it always wrong. Everybody's gonna have to come back around the path.
I might have been my fault.
Hi guys, I gotta get to this pace car.
Yeah, he's probably in the middle of the backstretch now. Someone disappeared in front of me.
Walker is now leading. B13.
Where you at, 91 car?
Going in 3, checking up.
Don, I thought you was ahead of me there. I don't know why I had to go around you.
57, you gotta get around me.
Oh, heck, I was just running there and passed a whole bunch of people when I forgot yellow was coming out. I thought I was...
The gap to
I saved
Sharp
it.
ahead is now
3 there.
0.6.
10-4, now I got you.
David, I don't know how I missed you.
Yeah, I was watching that.
I didn't realize we got a pit, so I was checking my fuel mileage and tires. And
Yeah, I did that on the last lap. We did.
no, it just came to my brain that
Look out
Jimmy
for
said
the
the next
speed
race would be fuel mileage. And
Engage
that's the
limiter.
pit.
Now, my calculations, everybody in the pit's going to have to pit again, though, right?
Yeah, 30 laps. David, what makes your Quails ones? 18? You can make it with one quick pit stop?
I can't remember. Yeah, it's the 18 lap races. You got to add about 2 gallons.
Yeah, if you had the 1.7,
There's a car behind.
make
Take care,
as long as
rejoin
you
him.
weren't leading.
17th place.
Yeah, Bob, on that last race, I tried my best to find us a hole. Could never find one.
Yeah, I hope you got my message. No, we were doing good. There was no place to go.
Yeah, I got it. I just want to make sure I wasn't holding you up there on that last one.
No, I was just trying not to wreck you.
That's what I doing whoever put me on that last one. After I went back and watched the replay, there's a couple of times we could have shot up in the middle, but that had been too risky.
Yeah, in the Breakfast Club I race in, that'd be called the Ramo line. David knows what I'm talking about.
You must be talking about Wayne Finley.
Yeah, his league with Ramo. He's a great guy, though.
Yeah. Ramo's great, man. Yeah, I knew who you were talking about when you said that.
That's funny in that room. I'm not a big fan of Kevin, but he is a winner. Plus, he picks on Ramo.
15th place.
And his last name, Ramo Martinez, I think.
No, that's not his real name. That's a NASCAR driver that he loved as a kid. I don't know what his real name is.
Tipper, now I got you.
I should Google it. I have his home phone number.
Yeah, he's a good guy. I haven't seen Helgi in a while neither.
It stinks at the Breakfast Club. I only can race on the weekends. They try
The
to make
captain
me
guy
work, so
in
I
front is
don't
now
go in early
0.9.
so I can do it.
Pace laps here takes so long.
Did you get a black flag for a wrecked car? Alright, we'll make an exception. Clear it. Lift it. Queue up. That's the exception. No flags.
Watch your speed.
Yes, please.
Look out for the pit speed limit. Engage the limiter.
Alright, if the yellow comes out and someone's too damaged and you can't get around them in time, or they can't get around you and you get that stupid black flag, we'll make the exception, but that's the only flag that will be cleared, nothing else. So don't ask.
I thought if you went in a closed pit, it just put you at the end of the longest
There's
line.
traffic behind. Keep your wits about you. P17.
Those two, I haven't been done like that all so heavy times.
I like that truck three.
You game yet? You game yet? Stupid stop and go. They hold you for 1 second, I think.
The stop and go, that's from not pitting the first cycle and then coming in.
Yeah, my black flag was for the wreck guy didn't come in the pit, didn't stay on the track.
You gotta pit, you get closed pit if you don't pit the first time around.
Yeah, I saw the closed pit, but I thought I would just get the end of the line or longest tail. Oh well, I'll learn now. Clayton, I hope I don't miss you, but you know how I know sometimes.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, I like that truck, man. Pretty sharp.
Yeah, I found it on Trading Paints.
Yeah, I've seen that thing on there before. It's the first time I've seen it on track.
Yeah, Brad, that's pretty cool.
Thank you, Bob.
Chitlin still open? Wow.
Tighten it up.
It's pretty as my Zeppelin truck, though.
I got you.
Don't forget second gear.
10-4, 10-4. Good luck. Let's go, guys. Have a good race. Let's get some green flat pit stops in.
All right, James. The next car is Anderson. P16, you've just done a 201.8.
Bob, if you need room, I can get it here right on the back there. I'll let you in.
10-4. I got a big run now.
The gap to
I'll come up
Anderson
there with you.
ahead is now 0.6.
Friggin' highway just screwed up. He should have had to stop and go. Now he's to go.
Hold your line.
P15.
You gotta keep it down.
Car high. Hold your line. Hold your line. Be clear on the outside.
What's he doing?
I had a truck outside me, he was coming up.
No, the 46 was all the way in your lane.
Your high side's clear. You got a car outside. It's still there. Clear on the outside.
You gonna run me? You below the yellow?
Richmond is now in the lead.
Yeah, stay in your lane.
47, you're an idiot.
Yeah, you gotta boot him.
Right when I had a huge
James,
run on the
come on,
outside.
track limits.
Yeah, I saw that coming. That's definitely 47 fault.
Good shot. Yeah, there's a blacklist member.
Fast by trying to get out of the way. I was wondering what the hell you're doing.
My car's dead. I got a 3-minute tow.
Yeah, Jimmy, I'll catch you tomorrow. I gotta go watch the Red Sox win another game.
P5.
Yeah, buddy.
The gap to Guy ahead is increasing. It's now 8.2 seconds.
Three will be pitting this lap.
I got too much challenge. Thank you, host.
You're pulling away. The gap behind is now 14 seconds.
Pitting in.
Yeah, I believe my race is done.
Watch your speed limit in the pits. Engage limiter.
Alrighty, I ran like 4 30 lappers yesterday. This is the worst one so far. I had one 30 lapper where it went caution free.
That yellow flag was real lucky for me.
Anybody catch that guy today but did that?
Car approaching. Watch your mirrors. P7.
Jesse, you got some damage on your right rear. Nothing that'll slow you down, I don't think so.
Watch your speed. Engage the limiter.
How many people still even running? Just us 6.
Yeah, maybe not.
There's traffic behind. Keep your wits about you.
Really, everybody dropped out except for 6?
That's what I just said.
Hey, whoever's admin in here, then give me a wave around.
Let me pull off here in a second. Thank you, Eddie, for the room there.
Thanks for the wave around.
No problem, Don. I don't even think Gary's still in here, is he?
I think he left too. When I get in the race, I stick it out until I'm disqualified or something. I don't care if I'm running last, which I've never run last, I don't think.
That's what I did too, but there's just so much time on there that I got too much time to repair and ain't gonna have enough time to get back out there.
Yeah.
back to Thomas. In front is now 1.2. P6, you've just done a 201.9, half distance, fuel looks good. Haynes is now leading.
I go to Nettle. It's just gonna be us 5 or 6.
Walker is leading the race.
Well, maybe we make it 14 laps now.
Car inside. He's still there.
P8.
He's still there.
Right, the guy ahead of us is...
Your inside's clear. There's a car inside. You're clear inside.
Come on, Don, if you need in there.
Yeah, I'm fine. I do. I'm going to see if anybody wants to run out here. Come on, David, get up here and let's go.
Car high. Hold that line. Still
I guess
there.
everybody wants to go with us.
You're clear outside.
No.
P7.
Car outside. Hold your line. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. Hold that line. He's still there. Still there. Clear high. Car high. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. He's still there. Hold your line.
Now we got a little bit up.
You are clear outside.
P8,
I can't believe
that was
I ran up this far by
51.1.
myself. Side draft didn't really work.
Car outside. He's still there. Still there. Still there. Clear up high. Car inside.
7th position.
He's still there. You're clear on the low side.
I'm going to have to stop and get fuel, so I'm going to have to get out of this. I should have ducked inside there.
That's why I put it on that last caution license, but I wouldn't have to stop.
There's a car inside. Hold your line. Hold your line. He's still there. Clear low. Inside. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. He's still there. He's still there. Still there.
The guy behind has just done a 49.9.
Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold that line. He's still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Clear on the inside.
The leader has just done a 49.8. 8th place. The car ahead has just done a 49.7.
Let me down and I'll go in.
Car outside. Clear outside. High side. He's still there. He's still there.
Okay, James.
High side.
6th place.
He's still there. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line.
The next car is Haynes.
He's still there. Outside's clear. Outside. Still there. Still there. Clear high.
P7, we estimate 3 laps of fuel left.
Anybody else saying they got a...
There's a car outside. Clear outside.
Oh, Gary, stay down there. I'm not going to
Okay,
have
James,
enough fuel.
push now. We can catch this guy. Only 2 more laps of fuel. That lap was a 50.4. That's good consistency. Keep it up. One more lap to go. We think you'll be out of fuel on the next lap. Haynes, he's
We
leading
ran
the
out of
race.
time.
I guess we did.
Okay, James, hit this lap, in this lap. 2 litres left.
Hold your line.
That again, that again.
High side is clear.
Thought I had enough to get it through there.
Outside. Outside is clear.
One litre remaining. P4, and there's the finish. Good result, mate. Well done.